Friends, a very warm welcome in Gurdeep Cooking Passion.
दोस्तों मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए नीचे दिए गए रेड सब्सक्राइब बटन पे क्लिक करें एंड मेरी वीडियोस के अपडेट्स पाने के लिए साथ ही में दिए गए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें जो कि आपके लिए बिल्कुल फ्री है.
It's a season of sweets, so I'm going to make here the sweet Bombay Karachi Halwa. It's a very delicious halwa and we are going to make with these ingredients here I have. First of all, the sugar. I have taken here 1 bowl of cornflour. It's a full bowl of cornflour. In India, the cornflour is also famous with the name of the Ararote. You can also say the Ararote in Indian language. And I have taken here 1 bowl of Ararote or cornflour and the same 2 bowls of sugar. If you are taking 1 bowl or any other quantity you are taking, you have to need the double of sugar. Then cucumber seeds. I had the cucumber seeds, it's 2 teaspoons almost, and the flakes of almond. I had cut it or chopped these out with a knife nicely. And here cardamom powder is the green cardamom powder. I had made the powder of the 5 cardamom seeds. Then I have the tartary. I had made the powder out of the tartary. It's just 1/4 teaspoon of tartary and I had made the powder of that. And desi ghee or pure desi ghee, I had taken here the quarter bowl of this bowl of desi ghee and the food color. It's a kesar food color and I had just added a pinch here and one it's a half teaspoon of water I had dissolved in the water. So in the specific measurement I'm just going to tell you guys that I had taken here the water. It's a full glass of water I had taken. If you are taking here 1 bowl of corn flour, you have to need the double of the sugar and the similar same bowl 4 or 3.5 bowls of water. Right, now let's prepare the Karachi Halwa. So friends, let's start making the Karachi Halwa. I had added here the sugar and now I'm going to add the water to make the syrup here. We have to make it not the proper syrup. We have to just melted the sugar. Until the sugar is melting, I'm going to make the corn flour paste. So friends, I'm gonna add 1/2 bowl of. I'm measuring with the same bowl so that you people can get the idea. I'm adding this bowl, full bowl, and mix it very well until the lumps gone. We will mix it. Mix completely. The lumps are gone totally. Now I'm going to add the half bowl more. I'm adding here more half bowl. It's well mixed. Now let's come to the syrup. Sugar is gone completely melted. Now give it a nice boil, then we will add the cornstarch here. Let it to the boil. It's boiling friends. I'm going to add the cornstarch here. We have to pour this slowly. Continuously stir it. We have to stir this continuously until this gets thick. Now keep the flame very slow, otherwise this will form the lumps or get stuck to the bottom. See, it's getting transparent. In just a minute, keep stirring it very nicely. It's getting transparent, gone very thick. Keep the flame very slow. I'm adding here the spatula. We don't have to leave this. Cook the corn flour for 5 to 10 minutes, or if you have the greater quantity, you have to cook this for 10 to 15 minutes. But the flame should be very low. This will go fully transparent, then we will add the ghee here. Cook this nicely so that it can't stuck to the bottom. It's gone transparent now. I'm going to add the ghee in small quantity here. Just cook for 5 minutes, then I will add the ghee here. Yes, it's going transparent. It's very easy to make, but we have to keep patience and stir continuously. Mix nicely. It's getting transparent. Cook it more. We have to cook or grease the spatula to the bottom so that the corn flour can't stuck to the bottom. Now it's almost getting done. I'm going to add the small quantity of ghee here. I will add the third part of ghee here. I had added the third part of ghee in the corn flour. Mix it very well, cook very well. This will cook into the ghee and then it will make the rubber consistency. It's necessary to cook in the ghee to get the nice consistency or the real halwa. Cook nicely. You have to cook this nicely. And now I'm going to add the tartary here. Here's the tartary. I'm going to add this. After adding the tartary, we have to stir this continuously. We just don't have to leave this in full time. It's a full cooking time recipe which we have to stir continuously. Otherwise this will stuck to the bottom. So it's necessary to stir continuously. Now it's well mixed and cook more for 5 minutes. Then we will add the another ghee, another part of ghee and the color. Cook for more 5 minutes. Almost 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add the another half quantity of the ghee. And the color also. Which I had dissolved already in the some quantity of water. This will get the kesar color, bright kesar color. Stir continuously. Yes, it's mixing. 10 minutes. I'm going to add here the rest of the ghee and I will add rest of the ghee here. Stir nicely and I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients here, cardamom powder and the seeds. I had mixed these both seeds and the cardamom powder. Now mix it very well. You can also add any dry fruit you want. So I'm just going to add some amount of almonds. Stir continuously. We have to cook this more 10 minutes now. It's well cooked and nice. Consistency is good and getting transparency. It's getting thick. Now I'm going to add this, or we have to remove this from the flame. First of all, I have to grease the utensil in which I'm going to set this out. The cooking time is only which I had cooked. Otherwise, if you cook this for the less time, this will not gone perfect and gone broke down if you take this the less time. So it's the perfect time. So it's gone cooked nicely. It's perfect, I think. And just 1 minute more. So friends, it's already done, and I had also already greased out the tin in which I'm going to set this out. So let's pour this to the tin. So friends, here's my tin and I'm going to pour this to the tin which I had already greased out with the ghee. So I had poured this out to the tin and I'm going to level this out, and I'm going to add the dry fruits on the top. You can add anything you want, chocolate sprinkles, anything. Now I'm going to keep this to set for at least for 3 to 4 hours. Then we will cut into the pieces. So friends, after 4 hours halwa is ready. I'm going to cut this out into the pieces. It's coming out very clear. See the knife, it's not sticking to the knife, it's very much clear. And just make the pieces. This is very much spongy. This is gummy type of halwa, and very tasty also. Now let me transfer to the plate. It's very good, came out very good. So friends, our Mumbai Karachi Halwa is ready. It's very much delicious. This is coming out very clear, see in the pieces, and this is very much gummy type of recipe, and it's very much delicious. Do try this recipe at home and give me your reviews in the comment box. And if you like my video, please share this video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for keep watching my videos.